The Way of the Turtle. How discipline made ordinary people millionaires. Most people think trading success comes from instinct, being the smartest person in the room, or having some secret Wall Street formula. But The Way of the Turtle proves the opposite. Curtis Fate shows how a group of everyday people were trained with one simple rule: follow the system, not your emotions. This isn't just a trading story, it's a blueprint for building discipline, emotional control, and real financial freedom. Let's break down what this book teaches and why it still matters. The experiment that changed trading. In the 1980s, Richard Dennis and William Eckhart ran a social experiment to prove that great traders could be taught. They called the students the Turtles. None of them were pros. One was a security guard, another a game designer. But under a set of mechanical rules, they turned small accounts into millions. The message: discipline beats intuition every time. The power of systems. Curtis Fate breaks down how the Turtles use trend following systems, buying strength, cutting losses early, and never letting emotions call the shots. The book reminds us your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's your ego. If you can stick to your plan when everyone else is panicking, you'll win over time. Risk management is the real edge. Every turtle followed strict position, size, and rules. They never risked more than 1 to 2% of their capital on a single trade. That's the secret most retail investors ignore. Risk control is wealth preservation, and wealth preservation is freedom. The psychology of consistency. Curtis explains that success doesn't come from predicting markets, but from executing rules flawlessly. The turtle mindset applies to everything: investing, business, and even YouTube growth. If your system is solid, your emotions can't wreck it. Modern takeaway. In a world run by algorithms and hype traders, The Way of the Turtle feels like ancient wisdom. It teaches that the real alpha isn't speed, it's self-control. Whether you trade crypto, stocks, or attention online, the same laws apply. Have a system, protect your capital, be patient, trust your process. This book isn't just about markets, it's about mastering yourself. The Way of the Turtle proves that ordinary people can reach extraordinary results when they stop chasing noise and start following principles. Have you ever lost money, doubted your strategy, or let your emotions guide your trades? This book will reset your mindset completely. Start stacking today. Join Coinbase with my link in the description and get free Bitcoin just for signing up. Don't wait.